Welcome to our channel. Watch this video till the end, then you will understand the meaning of this video. Leveraging Chat GPT in Digital Marketing, a step-by-step guide. Introduction. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to effectively use Chat GPT in your digital marketing efforts. Chat GPT, powered by OpenAI's advanced language model, is a valuable tool that can enhance customer engagement, improve user experience, and boost conversions. Let's dive into the process of integrating Chat GPT into your digital marketing strategy. Step 1. Define objectives. Before incorporating Chat GPT into your digital marketing, clearly outline your objectives. Identify the specific areas you want to improve, such as customer support, lead generation, or content personalization. Understanding your goals will help you tailor Chat GPT to your unique needs. Step 2. Choose a platform. Select a suitable platform to host your Chat GPT implementation. You can use third-party chatbot services or develop a custom solution using OpenAI's API. Ensure that the platform aligns with your objectives, offers scalability, and adheres to data privacy regulations. Step 3. Train the model. If you opt to create a custom chatbot using OpenAI's API, train the language model with relevant data. Fine-tune it on datasets specific to your industry, or use case to make the responses more accurate and contextually relevant. Step 4. Implement on your website, app. Integrate Chat GPT into your website or mobile app. Place it strategically on landing pages, product pages, FAQs to provide instant support and improve user engagement. Ensure the chatbot interface is user-friendly and easy to access. Step 5. Customize responses. Tailor Chat GPT's responses to match your brand's tone and personality. Keep the language consistent with your existing marketing material to create a seamless experience for users. Step 6. Engage with customers. Utilize Chat GPT as a customer engagement tool. Offer personalized recommendations, answer frequently asked questions, and provide real-time assistance. Analyze user interactions to identify pain points and optimize the chatbot's responses over time. Step 7. Lead generation. Leverage Chat GPT to qualify leads and gather user information through interactive conversations. Use this data to segment your audience and deliver targeted marketing messages, increasing the likelihood of conversion. Step 8. A/B testing. Perform A/B testing to measure the effectiveness of Chat GPT. Test different conversation flows, call-to-action messages, and response strategies to optimize engagement rates and conversion rates continually. Step 9. Monitor and improve. Regularly monitor Chat GPT's performance and user feedback. Analyze the chatbot's effectiveness in achieving your marketing objectives. Use this data to make necessary improvements and refine your digital marketing strategy. Step 10. Keep it ethical. While using Chat GPT in digital marketing, maintain ethical practices. Be transparent about the use of AI chatbots, and respect user privacy by following data protection regulations. Conclusion of Chat GPT. Incorporating Chat GPT into your digital marketing strategy can revolutionize customer engagement and drive business growth. By following this step-by-step guide, you can effectively leverage the power of AI to enhance your marketing efforts and deliver a seamless and personalized experience to your customers. Thanks for watching our video so far. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.